Okay, we just did split bets. Now there are some three-way bets, but there really aren't that many. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. The three most common ones you'll see are three-way sevens on the hop, and it's basically you're betting all three combinations of the seven. You're betting the 1-6, the 2-5, and the 3-4. If somebody bets that, a lot of times you may see it set up here, like that. You may see it set like that. You may just see it set up here, or if the hop numbers are printed on the table, they may set them up on the individual layouts. Basically, this is probably the simplest of the bunch. That pays 15 to 1, that pays 15 to 1, or that pays 15 to 1. So no matter which one hits, it pays 15 to 1. So if this hits, $15 minus 2 is 13. So $13 is still up to win, whichever one hits. If there's $1 each. So that tells us the key is 5 times the total bet. 5 times 3 is 15. Minus 2/3 of the bet, or $2. So 15 minus 2 is 30. So if we have a $6, which is 2, 2, and 2, 5 times the total bet, 5 times 6 is 30, minus 2/3 of the bet, 2/3 of that bet is $4, $26, and still up to win. That's the simplest of the bunch. Next is the three-way craps. They don't say three-way craps on a hop. I'm not quite sure why, but it's three-way crap. Basically, you're betting 1 unit on the aces, 1 on the 2, 1 on the 12, and you get paid off depending upon which one hits. Now, don't fall into the trap of trying to use the keys that you learned for the split bets, because it won't work for these, because it's a three-way bet. Whole different animal. And you know what? There really isn't a good key, because you could do the, 3 times or 5 times the bet minus 2/3 only if the ace deuce hits. Easiest way to do it, I found, is just do it the long way. You'll see if the aces hit, 30 minus 2 is 28. That's fine. If the 20 hits, or 12 hit, 20, yeah. Point is 20. If the 12 hits, 30 minus 2 is 28. Now, you can set it up like this. Well, not like that. That'd be three-way hops for the crew. Let's say we set it up like this. That's fine. A lot of times you'll see it done shorthand like this, in the line where all the crap numbers are, but heeled off. Now, not a whole lot of space. The easiest way to show who it belongs to is just point the whole heeled bet toward them. So if I want to the guy straight out, there it goes, straight out. Guy next to base, I may put it up here, point to the guy next to base. That's what I used when I dealt to keep track of where the three-way craps were. A lot of times you didn't have time to set them up like this. So this one, there are keys out there. Honestly, I don't remember what they are, because I never use them. I did it the long way. But if you know a key and you can use it accurately and consistently, do it. If that works best for you, great. If you're more comfortable doing it the long way, that's great. Just as long as you get to the right answer. A lot of paths to get to the end. Now the last one that's a common bet is a high-low-yo, which is the high is the 12, the low is the 2, and the yo. Now you'll notice this isn't much different than this in terms of the makeup of the bet. Here's a three-way bet. One winning number pays 15 to 1, the other two pay 30 to 1. Here's a three-way bet. One winning number pays 15 to 1, the other two pay 30 to 1. So if you got a key for one, you basically got a key for the other. And I'll leave it to you to find out a key for this that's easier to use than just doing it the long way. Not that there's anything wrong with the key, it's just I'm kind of biased. I prefer to do the three-way bets the long way. And that's about it for three-way bets.